Good morning students. In today's video lecture we are going to revise the words that I had given you in the previous lecture, and let us see if you have got them correctly. The first word is jam, and as you know we had done this j sound yesterday, so we are going to use j, a and m, jam. The second word is the word yell. Here we have the y sound again. Yesterday, as you can see, we had done this y sound, so this same sound is going to come here. Y, e, l. The next is judge, which starts with the j sound. J, j, judge. Winter, and I told you yesterday also that were two different types of were, but because it starts with w, so we will use this symbol of were. So it is winter. W, I, N, T and a. And as I told you yesterday, this r sound will not be pronounced. Why? Because there is a vowel in front of it. The next word is the word wane. Here it starts with V, so we will use this V symbol. A. This diphthong is used because there is the sound of this A ki matra, and N. The next is throw. S, R and O. This diphthong is used because it gives us the sound of O. And as you can see, I have used the symbol of th. These, the, badi e and z. Here I want to say that in the previous lecture I had by mistake written this symbol the, but then I made this correction. This is the correct the symbol. So as I had written here, so by mistake I had used this th symbol, but here we will use the, these. The next word is drink. Here d, r, choti e, very simple. Sing, s, choti e and ng. We had done this ng sound in the previous lecture. The next word is this, again the, e and s. Okay, now look at the next word, pleasure. If you remember, this is the j sound that we had done, j, and I had told you that we don't have this sound in Hindi, so this is a little difficult to pronounce because this is not there in our mother tongue. So pleasure, p, le, j and a. This is e, this is a, and this r will not be pronounced. Shine, sh, this sound we had done previously, I and n. This is a diphthong. The next word is zoom. Z we had done, bada u and m. Zoom. Mission. M, I, sh, a and n. Mission. So these are the 14 words that I had given in practice exercise. Today we are going to begin, because we have finished with the consonant sounds, we are going to begin with the vowel sounds. But then, how many total vowel sounds are there? We have done this so many times, 20 vowel sounds, out of which 12 are diphthong and 12 are monophthongs and 8 are diphthongs. Then again we will be dividing the monophthongs further into two types. The first one is the short vowels and the second is the long vowels. Short vowels, for example, in so many words that we have done in practice exercises and examples also, short vowels are like I, and long vowels are like E, badi E. So that is the difference between short and long. So how many short vowels do we have? We have 7 short vowels and 5 long vowels. Out of 12, 7 are short and 5 are long. Okay, so this is how we classify the vowel sounds of English, and today we are going to do the different types of monophthongs. We are going to start with the monophthongs. So now let us begin with the short vowel sounds. The first short vowel that we will do is the very simple E sound. In Hindi we write this with this matra, choti E ki matra, E sound. You can write like this also, and then you can, as we had done in the consonant sounds, you can also write a few examples like the word fit, like the word pick, like the word his. So here f e t fit, p e k pick, h e s his. In the next we have in this list is the sound e, and here you can't write like this e because it is a very short, very slight sound e, and you have it in so many words. For example, the word pet, or maybe the word scent, eh. You have words like guess. So p, you know how to write p, eh and t, very simple, eh sound. Scent, s, e, n and t, scent. Guess, g, eh and s, guess. In the third sound that we are doing today is the air sound. The air sound. Now this one is like the air ki matra, which we have in Hindi, very usual matra we have, and we have words like in all of these words. You can see, if you were going to write pat in Hindi, you would write like this, right? So we will transcribe this very simply as per, a and t. Alright, the next one is r. You must remember that we have done this sound in the consonants a and g. Rag. The next one is f, l, a and t. Flat. The next sound that we will do is the sound oo. We have this small chota oo ki matra that we do in Hindi. This is oo. So maybe a word like book or took, put. So we can transcribe this simply as b, o and k, t, o and k, p, o and t, put. So these are the 4 sounds that we have done today. I think it is enough for today's lecture because we have to do some practice words also. So for the practice exercise, we can do so many words because we have done all the consonants and now we have these 4 short vowels also. So we will take words which have these 4 short vowels. So the first word is the word Okay, so these 10 words, I hope they are not a problem for you. So these are very simple 10 words that I have given you for practice, and I hope you will do it and you will send me your answers the way I describe in the WhatsApp group. So these are the 4 vowel sounds and these are the words for practice exercise. Thank you very much.